Hello, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Coding Anthem. So, as you have got from the name Coding Anthem, this channel is all about like coding related stuffs. Stuffs means like the coding related problem things, hackathons, tutorials, anything like I really don't know. I'm just going to start this channel and with the main purpose is like I just want to learn more and more in coding areas. So I thought of creating this channel so that I can solve the problem and I can share with you all guys. And the important thing is getting feedback from you, like how I'm going and what should I improve, what things I should be learning and creating, so that I can contribute and I can learn at the same time. Okay. So initially I'll be thinking to create some of the coding related stuffs by solving problems and all, and later on we'll see like how it goes. So just follow my channel and please keep on letting me know like what should I create, what to do, and how you are liking my videos, and what should I improve upon, like editing videos or doing some of the technical other stuffs or what, anything. Okay, so I'm expecting some of the feedback from you guys. Just please comment here and let me know, and if you like the video then please hit on the subscribe button and please follow the video series. Okay, bye bye, see you.